Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com, coming at you today for a quick product spotlight looking at the world of Van Yulay. Well, we're really excited to be carrying Van Yulay soaps after many years of knowing Monica Gillum. She has been a staple in the wet shaving industry for many, many years. In fact, I think she has been doing soap making of some variety or another since 1999. So she's definitely one of the OGs, one of the original gangsters in the shaving world. And I've met her many times, hung out with her at house parties, and tipped back a couple of drinks with her. She's a really nice person, very genuine, very outgoing, very friendly and nice. And I'm happy to finally have her great products. She's out of Texas. Her big claim to fame, that from what I see it, outsider kind of looking in, is that she is very unique, that she offers emu oil in most of her products. And in fact, I know at one point she was like raising the emus herself. So it was like incredibly kind of farm to market kind of a product. I don't know if that's still the case or if she, the emu farm was kind of like in the past. But either way, her commitment to quality and using all natural ingredients, no petroleum in her products, is very much high on the list. That's what she's all about. She's also all about variety. In preparing for, picking up the line in today's video, I mean, they had just a mountain of different options for scents and different blends of notes and everything. And we basically had to tell her, look, we can't carry, I think she has, no joke, like close to 200 different scents. And as you guys have heard me say, whenever we pick up a new vendor, we do not buy the entire line. We always kind of ask for the greatest hits. And so she helped us pick out some of the greatest hits as of right now. And we thought these would be good ones that, also just are kind of complimentary and they're a little different than what we have from other brands. And it's been in our store for about, at the time of this filming, about a week or two, and we've already been selling them. And I'm really excited as well that she's coming out for our Arizona Shavers meetup in a few weeks. So I'm sure we'll be selling more. But happy to have them. In fact, if you guys already didn't pick up, whenever I do a spotlight, I always do a shave video right before, so we kind of get more mileage out of using the studio here. And so I just finished using, in fact, this one right here, I used the Barber Shop of Seville, and I really enjoyed it. My skin is still feeling nice and smooth and soft. And very hydrated feeling, very nourished. And that's what she's all about. She's all about those high quality ingredients and the post-shave feel. And she also does more than just shaving. I mean, a big part of her brand is actually all the skincare side of it. So it's not just for shaving. The shaving is kind of more of a specialty niche within her skincare regimen and skincare line. So she definitely knows what she's doing. And impressed with the product. Happy to be carrying them. Let's take a few moments to go through some of the scents we picked up. First up is Baccarat Shaving Soap. It has top notes of saffron and jasmine. Middle notes are amberwood, ambergris, and hedione. And base notes are fir resin, cedar, sugar, ambroxan, and oak moss. Next up is Limoncello, and this features kind of a sweet and sour blend of fresh Sorrento lemons, cane sugar, and the zest of lemon zest, inspired by Italy's beloved limoncello drink. I'm Your Huckleberry. Fragrance notes include fig, huckleberry, gunpowder, leather, whiskey, and tobacco. El Barbero de Sevilla. A perfect barber shop. A masculine scent with clean, sharp finish. It's a perfect combination of barbershop aromas. It combines a scent of strong yet sweet aftershave along with hints of aromatic spices, bergamot, fresh basil leaf, and it's complemented by earthy notes of oak moss and orange zest. Texas Sunset. Another perfect tobacco scent with tobacco leaf, honey, sandalwood, musk, amber, and patchouli. Mountain Rain is a clean, crisp scent with reminiscent hints of rain-type scents, but not entirely. It's refreshing with green notes and fresh aroma. It has a subtle rain notes, woody notes, and spicy undertones. And lastly, we have Mis Amigos. Top notes are lime, grapefruit, lemon, bergamot, jasmine, mint, orange, mandarin, and ginger. Middle notes are jasmine, peach, and freesia, hyacinth, rosemary, and rose. And base notes are white musk, cedar, oak moss, patchouli, leather, tonka bean, tobacco star anise, and amber. Well, I hope today's video has helped to illuminate and kind of describe some of these different Van Yulay soaps, and we hope that you can find room in your den for one of them. I think that they are a great addition, and they have some, very unique scents and great product ingredients. I think it would be a good fit for anybody who's, trying to look better. Maybe you want some better quality ingredients on your skin. Maybe you want some anti-aging properties, all those great things. So check out Van Yulay, and we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.